In the last video, we've created a block with our own message. Now we want to change the awesomeness level. We use a mechanism called slot fill for this. Gutenberg provides us with slots, and we can provide fills. This particular fill is called inspector controls. Inspector controls is a fill that is shown in the sidebar. It is shown when the user wants to edit the block settings. We'll provide a range control, which is a slider, and we'll say that the current value should be the awesomeness level. We give it a label so everyone can use this range control, and when it changes, we need to update the awesomeness level. Gutenberg provides a set attributes function that can be used to update the attributes of a block. For our example, we'll just provide it with the awesomeness level that is set in the range control. And of course, awesomeness goes to 9000. The only thing that's left to do is import the set attributes function from Gutenberg. It is provided as a prop to your block. This should be enough to show a slider that can set the awesomeness level. We press Edit Settings, and we can change our awesomeness.
Thanks for watching our video.
I'm Anton.
I'm Tim.
And we're the good guys.
Want to know more about Gutenberg?
Watch the whole series on youtube.com/Yoast and subscribe.